Do you ever wonder why some salespeople close more deals than others? It's not because they have a better product or service, or even that they're cheaper. It's that these salespeople understand there are four things that drive people towards purchasing. In this video, we're going to have a look at those four things. My name is Tracy, and I'm a sales expert for more than 35 years. So here is the first driver: respect. They need to respect you as a professional. So how can we do that? Well, we do that by demonstrating our deep expertise. We ask great questions that maybe they haven't considered before, offer a perspective that makes them think differently, and we challenge them. They need to leave a conversation with us feeling, wow, that person really knows what they're talking about. They're an expert. I think also what helps with respect is respecting their time and respecting their process. So show up prepared, stick to your agenda, be on time, understand their decision-making process, understand their timeline, and don't push your own agenda onto them. It's about them, it's not about you. Those things really help you with helping grow a respect. And respect is one of the four main drivers as to why people will buy from you. The second main driver is trust. They have to trust you completely. So how can we do that? Well, one thing I do is I'm always really honest and open and transparent about our limitations. So I let people know what we can do, but I also let people know what we can't do. And I'm realistic. And this has worked for me great in the past because quite often I've said no to business and I've been really honest. And because of that, they've come back to me again in the future for something that we can do. I also think another thing that helps build trust is that you follow through on your commitments. So do what you say you're going to do. If you've promised to send something through on time, do it. Deliver what you promise. I think reliability builds trust. The third driver is likability. They need to genuinely like and want to work with you. So this is all about building rapport on a human level, not just the business level, but on the human level. So when we're talking about their challenges and what motivates them, it's not just about the business. Think about them, what challenges them personally and what motivates them personally. What do we have in common with them? Do we have the right energy? Do we have the right enthusiasm? Our interactions with people have to be enjoyable. They have to not just trust us, they have to not just respect us, they actually have to like us as an individual too. I also find listening works really well here. You know, if they feel that you have a genuine interest in them and you listen to them, I think that helps them really like you too. So building rapport and showing a genuine interest with them on a human level can really help with the likability. And the fourth driver is what we call the gain pain model. You need to address their gain or their pain. People will buy from you for two reasons. It will be because they want to improve their situation or they want to solve an issue that they have or a problem they have. So those four things: respect, trust, likability, and the gain pain. If you understand those as a salesperson, you are much more likely to increase your percentage of closing sales and deals.